Hello, so this question is reshape data pivot. So basically write a solution to pivot the data so that each row represent the temperature for a specific month and see it in separate column. So let's just look at this. So what we need to do is technically we want to make sure the month is going to be unique, right? So we want to change this column to pivot and then make sure we have the column for city and the value. So two represent here, right? So this city has two temperature in April, so something like this. So technically it reshape the data, right? So return the table is going to be weather, and then what we need to do is just say pivot, and then my index is going to be representing month, and my columns is going to represent city, right? City is going to be the column, and then my value is going to be temperature. TMPIT. So this is everything. So it's actually new things to me, but once you know the logic, it should be straightforward. So that's it. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye.